Hey everyone, so a very warm welcome. Once again, we welcome you all in this short video. In today's short video, we are back again with the beautiful Ajrak Vanaspati cotton suit pieces, lovely colors and new designs. So today also I'll showcase around 10 pieces. Whichever you like, you can simply place the booking by either sharing the screenshot or the article number on my WhatsApp. The number is 70076141. Wish you worldwide. Number one से मैं start करूँगी. This is piece number one. These are made on premium Taj cotton. They do not require any lining. All the colors that you are able to see are organic, natural colors. All the suits are completely hand blocked. This piece we have restocked from the last patterns that we have showcased. This is a beautiful temple border that you're getting along with it. ये 3-piece premium cotton suit pieces हैं. Width is 44 inches, length is 2.5 meter for the top bottom dupatta. Here is the beautiful bottom that you're going to get with it. And this is the lovely dupatta. This is suit number 1 for you. A beautiful piece. Now let me just tell you the price for these is only 2250. Shipping is 100 rupees pan India. You can place the booking on WhatsApp. This is suit number 1. Showcasing you the next one, number 2. We do have a lot of green bases today. Number 2, it's a very subtle green, as this is Ajrak Vanaspati, so a lot of leafy colors are there in today's live. Here रहेगा इसका top. It's going to come with the authentic and very popular block of Ajrak Vanaspati. It is the highlighted border that you're getting along with it. Here रहेगा इसका top. Here is the beautiful bottom. And this is the lovely dupatta. It is so pretty. Please remember, these are not dark shade. These are authentic organic colors. So they are on a very subtle tone. Here is the dupatta. You can use these suits for your formal purposes or semi-formal usage. This is suit number 2 for you. Premium cotton 2250 plus shipping. Showcasing you number 3. Once again, it's a very pretty block. These are very exclusive designs of Ajrak Vanaspati. Not seen before. ये इसका border है. These are from our special designer collection. Here is the beautiful bottom. So you're getting a top, bottom dupatta, all three, 2.5 meter in length, 44 inches in width. In premium cotton, no lining is required. Colors are natural. All the suit pieces are completely hand blocked. This is suit number 3. Bookings आपको WhatsApp पे place करनी है. मेरा number है 70076141. Number 4, it's a yellow base and beautiful. It's kind of that greenish and greyish color which is used in highlighting. So ये आपका top है. Here is the lovely border. The art form is Ajrak Vanaspati. So it basically depicts all the flora. So you'll be seeing a lot of flowers, a lot of leaves in it with the abstract blocks. As you can see, stripes are given for the bottom. And here's the lovely dupatta. If you have come across our video and if you're new to the page, do follow for regular updates as we showcase amazing collections. Okay, so this is the next piece. Next design, number 5. Once again, very beautiful. This is piece number 5. Here is the top. इसका border है. Okay, this is the very beautiful bottom which is coming with it. Look at it, कितना सुंदर है. And ये रहेगा इसका दुपट्टा. So this will be the look. Very elegant pieces, just perfect for your regular and formal usage. Number 6, it's kind of that rust terracotta shade which is here. Also it do have a tinge of peach color in it. It's a very unusual color that you usually don't get in Ajrak Vanaspati. It's coming with a beautiful peacock block. Last time we हमने दिखाया था, but it was there in indigo base, and here we are with a different color this time. This is the bottom. This patchiness and unevenness will be there in the pieces. Please remember, but because the art form is Ajrak Vanaspati, so it's very common for the pieces to have unevenness and patchiness. This is the beautiful dupatta. This is the piece for you. Next coming, it's number 7. Number 7, it's having tones of indigo along with green and that peachish rust tone. along with stripes. ये आपका टॉप है. This is a highlighted border. Okay. ये रहेगा इसका बॉटम. And this is the lovely dupatta. Look at the center body. It is fully filled with the solid sphere block. That looks really very smart. So it is a combination of stripes and spheres. Number 8. Now look at this beautiful different block. This green color is so pretty. It's very beautiful, unique. ये आपका टॉप है. This is the highlighted border. ये रहेगा इसका bottom. And this is the dupatta. Two more pieces I'll showcase. Now look at this green shade. Number 9. All the colors are natural. It's a beautiful light parrot green tone which is used, and the bird block is there along with the leaves. Birds are sitting. This is the border. It is very different, very uncommon. This is the bottom, and this is the dupatta. Now showcasing you the last suit for today. Number 10. It's a very different block. This is the top. This is the border. Here is a beautiful bottom. And ये रहेगा इसका दुपट्टा. Only 2250 plus 100. Bookings has to be placed on WhatsApp. The dupatta is so gorgeous. Look at the dupatta. So this is the last piece for today. So that's it, everyone. I hope you like today's collection. We'll be coming up with more beautiful pieces. So stay tuned. Do follow the page and take care. I'll see you all again very soon. Till then, taking your leave. This is Shilpi Singh from Indian Art Connectivity. Bye, everyone. Take care.